Today we are going to tell 10 fascinating facts about the ways human brain remembers. First, there's virtually no limit to what your brain can remember. It might seem strange given how many things seemingly go in one ear and out the other, but the brain storage capacity is actually pretty dang astounding. In fact, it can store about 2.5 petabytes of data. That's synonymous with 2,500,000 gigabytes or about 300 years worth of trashy television. Second, almost forgetting something makes you more like to remember it. Had a thought on the tip or your tongue but it slipped anyway momentarily? Well, once you have your moment, it's there to stay. Third, the human brain has about 1 billion neurons inside of it, with each one capable of creating 1,000 connections to other neurons. That's a lot of potential memories. Fourth, you might not remember what your mom's womb looked like, but science shows memories can begin as early as 5 months before birth. This is why some parents try to argue less and play more with their favorite music tracks while pregnant. Fifth, over time you might lie whether you mean to or not. It can become difficult to recall in detailed accuracy what did or did not happen in the past. So even if you feel certain you were wearing a pink hat when Aunt Bretha slipped and fell at a disco in 1993, it's very possible you were wearing blue and that was Aunt Lily who fell down. Sixth, when you forget something easily, it's probably because the data was stored in your short-term memory, also known as working memory. Studies show that on average, you can only remember about 4 pieces of information at a given time. 7. Want to know why cramming for an exam doesn't work out so well? Read the fact above. To memorize facts and theories, it's best to space out information so that the ideas move from short term to long term memory. 8. The internet is making you stupid. When you are able to access information with a quick Google search, you are much likely to remember that if you had gone to the library like mom and pops did back in days. 9. Memories are scattered all over the brain. The hippocampus in particular is responsible for long-term memory. Interestingly, the emotions linked to those memories are stored in the amygdala. 10th, speaking of emotions, they play a huge role in how memories are stored. The brain automatically prioritizes information based on its emotional sensitivity. So if you meet someone who makes you feel stronger in a day, good or bad way, chances are you will remember what they say and how they act much more than would say someone who bores you.